So this is a beautiful Z1000 here. It's a 2015 make, and this is particularly called the Terminator. And just look at the eyes of this bike. I mean, just look at it, how beautiful these are. So in technical terms, it is almost similar to the Ninja 1000, and so I won't be bragging about it a lot. If you haven't seen the video of the Ninja 1000, there would be in the I button. So this is a CBU model, and this costed around 20 lakhs. It's loaded with the Aero full system exhaust, and it's a proper mean machine. I mean mean machine, it's mean machine. And the sound of this bike, it's beautiful. It is just beautiful. Let me get you some audio of this bike. It's 8,797 driven, and it's really loud. So basically, this has that particular old school Kawasaki speedometer, and I mean by speedometer, it's just beautiful, taking out the digital meters of the RPM while driving it. And to be honest, while I was sitting on it, it was damn comfortable. And rest, I'll just take it on the Gopro mount, and I'm pretty much sure it will have a lot of wind blast. ABS, it doesn't have any other electronics except ABS. Okay. So to be honest, I'm telling you one thing. The 1000cc naked has a beautiful punch compared to the 900. this is the most terrifying looking machine in the nakeds. See, I love only two naked bikes, and that's Super Duke and this Ninja 1000. This Z1000. And I pretty much love this bike. See, the pillion seat. This is the pillion seat. This is not the, what you call it, the spoiler. But this is a pillion seat, same as in my RC, and this is the Z1000's rider seat, and that's pretty much comfortable plus uncomfortable for a long run. And this is, I guess, there would be Nixon brakes, no, Showa suspension, Kawasaki. I'm not aware about the discs. I don't know, it's ABS written over here, the Kawasaki badging over there, and Showa suspension. And I pretty much love the Showa suspension. I doubted this on the Showa suspension. I didn't know, but they were so beautiful and they were such a bliss. So if I get a chance to ride this bike on the straight stretch, I'll be giving up the video ahead. Till then, see ya, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for a few more latest vlogs. And I'm really sorry for not continuing my YouTube channel because of some issues, but as everything settles down, I'll be back on my YouTube. Till then, see ya, bye bye.